In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate your Miro boards into a Zoom session efficiently. This tutorial is perfect if you're looking to enhance your online meetings with more interactive and collaborative presentations. We'll go through each step in detail, so by the end you'll be navigating this process like a pro. To start, you'll need to open your Miro board. Once there, look towards the left side of the interface and find the plus button. Clicking this will provide you with a variety of options, but for our purposes, we're focusing on adding integrations. Now select the Marketplace option from the menu that appears. The Marketplace is where all the integrations live, and it's your gateway to connecting different apps and services with Miro. Once you're in the Marketplace, look for the option that says Browse More Integrations. Clicking here will enable you to access a vast array of tools that can enhance your Miro experience. Next, use the search bar in the Marketplace to type in Zoom. This will filter the available applications to show you the ones relevant to Zoom. Among the options, find Miro for Zoom and give it a click. This is the bridge that connects your Miro boards directly into your Zoom meetings, allowing for a seamless transition from idea generation to real-time collaboration. You'll now want to click on Connect to start linking your Miro account with Zoom. At this stage, ensure you're logged into your Zoom account. If you're not, a sign-in page will appear. Input your Zoom credentials to move forward. Once signed in, Zoom might ask you to grant specific permissions. You'll see a prompt to allow this app to use your shared access permissions. Review the permissions and then click Allow to proceed. This is a crucial step as it ensures Miro has the necessary access to integrate smoothly with Zoom. After granting permissions, a prompt will appear asking you to open your Zoom Meetings app. Follow this prompt, and once in your Zoom app, search for the option that says Sign in to Miro. This step is crucial as it officially links your accounts on both platforms. When prompted, click Add and Allow for the Miro app for Zoom. This will finalize the integration setup. You might be asked one more time to open your Zoom app, so go ahead and do so. With the integration complete, return to your Miro boards and decide which one you'd like to embed into your Zoom meeting. Once you've made your choice, click on Embed Board. Now your Miro board is not just accessible but fully integrated into your active Zoom session. Congratulations, you can now seamlessly access your Miro board through Zoom, making remote collaboration more interactive and effective. Happy collaborating, and I hope this guide has been helpful in optimizing your digital meetings.